So today I'm going to find out how good 22 long rifle is at penetrating dense bone. I've got a horse's jaw bone here and a horse's leg bone. I'm going to set them up over here on the stump, shoot them a few times, and then we'll go get them and check out what happened to them. That down right there. Put these over here. All right. See what happens to them. Flip the safety off. Maybe. There it goes. Jam. Looks like we're out. All right, let me go grab them bones and we'll check them out. All right, so we'll start with the leg bone, and it has some holes in it. Seems like 22 went straight through that bone, no problem at all. Pretty impressive. And the jawbone, shot it a few times on this side, and it's got some holes in it, and it has exit wounds. Them bullets went straight through that bone like it was made of cardboard. So, a lot of people underestimate 22, and they probably shouldn't. That would hurt. I wouldn't want to be shot with that. Anyways, if you like that video, check out the channel, and thanks for watching.